Feel uninvited.
XRP is a token used for representing the transfer of value across the Ripple network. The main purpose of XRP is to be a mediator for other both cryptocurrencies and fiat exchanges. Now in this video, I will share about the prediction of XRP by Simpson, and I will also share my own price prediction about the XRP at the end of this video. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now first of all, what is XRP and what they are doing, the team is doing at this time? First of all, now a rumor in the crypto community that VeChain and Ripple, basically you can see on the coin market cap at 20th number, basically VeChain is available, and there is a rumor in the crypto community at this time that VeChain and Ripple might entering into a partnership. However, there is no hard evidence about it. VeChain CEO Sunny Lu recently stated in an interview that both companies could be good partners. SBI Holdings is getting into the VeChain space, traceability, and also you can say a traceability as a service, building a supply chain platform for agricultural products utilizing blockchain distributed ledger technology. Now first of all, we will basically move towards the video about the XRP, what Simpsons are predicting about the XRP at this time. So we are going to open it. First of all, so here you can see basically they are saying that for the every transactions they want a proof, they want something, by that they will understand that this transaction will basically go towards that one person. So from the A it is going towards the B, so basically they want a simple proof of the transaction. So XRP is giving that one. So okay, we will see the next one. So the distributed ledger, here you can see the distributed ledger is basically mainly the XRP. At this time, only and only XRP is giving these type of facilities to all the customers, that the distributed ledger. So only XRP is basically synchronized and also a consensus. Yes, it's basically being the cash of the future, because other predictions about the XRP, everyone is saying the same thing, that definitely very soon we are going to hear a news about the XRP, that some type of US community is going to use XRP in their daily use. I'm not confirmed about that, but I will definitely share the video about that one also, that how they are going to utilize the XRP coin. So right now, so it is all about the XRP. Basically it is a synchronized ledger, so definitely they are going to utilize the XRP. Now about the price prediction of the XRP at this time, number of people are saying so many things about the XRP, because it is a huge giant which is sleeping from, I think, minimum 2.5 years. So right now it's the whole time of the XRP, that right now basically the XRP will grow instantly. And as per my own price prediction, as I said in the starting, that I will definitely share something very good news for especially for the XRP holders. So basically my own price prediction about the XRP till the end of 2020, definitely it will reach up to $7 to $8 very soon, and in 2021 it will definitely reach up to $63 to $70 because number of people are choosing XRP as a mode of payment. And the second best thing about the XRP that right now it is basically the third largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is the third largest cryptocurrency in the whole cryptosphere, and basically number of banks and number of organizations are going to use it as a mode of payment. So definitely the price will reach till the end of 2020, it will reach up to $7 to $9, and in 2021, or you can say the mid of 2021, it will definitely reach up to $63 to $70. So if you have some XRP in your pocket, please kindly hold that one XRP for some time. Definitely you will get some good profit from the XRP. If you like this video, kindly share this video with some of your friends, and especially with the XRP holders, so they will not take any type of tension regarding their XRP. Thanks a lot.